a journey of home renovation and maintenance. Welcome to Maintaining 18. There are some tools of maintenance I use at the 18th. These tools are not your typical feature, but without them, DIY suffering ensues. First up is a commercial mop bucket and commercial grade mop. Golden Judge thought about the matter and noted that buckets for home use are as reliable as politicians' words. Homeowners of experience know the lifespan of the home use mop and bucket is that of a common fly. It has been over a year since Golden Judge purchased the commercial bucket. What is good about the commercial bucket? It features a measuring rule. It keeps hands away from dirty water, and there is no need for cheap gloves which make your hands sweaty and wrinkled. It is durable and DIY friendly. Parts can be replaced. Some do good business repairing commercial buckets, as many companies discard them when they break, and the parts of less than $5 and a value of over $30 when repaired. The math says yes. It is easy to move around, bringing me to a flaw. The performance of moving the bucket decreases. It no longer is as easy to push as before. But judging the issue, Golden Judge thinks it's a matter of cleaning the dust from the wheels and lubing it. Now, it does have a giant footprint, so to store it can be an issue. So in summary, this bucket was chosen because of its high level of durability, the ability to mop, rinse, and squeeze the mop without having hands getting wet. Big deal. The next tool is a commercial mop. A mop absorbs disinfectant mix, is transferred to the floor. Through an oscillating motion, the mop spreads the detergent, which cleans the floor and picks up dirt. When the residential mop breaks, little can be done to repair them, making them disposable. A commercial mop is designed for heavy use. Using it in a home setting will definitely extend its life much longer, since it's pretty much light use compared to what it was designed for. This one is going on for 3 years now. It's in perfect shape. Everything is replaceable, from the mop stick to the mop itself. Well, the mop head. Golden Judge has an extra mop which he may never use, given the durability of the current mop. When using the mop for the first time, it took several minutes before it absorbed the water disinfectant mixture. The mop you're seeing is not the mop which Golden Judge speaks of, the commercial mop. This is a different mop which eventually broke, but it has the same characteristics. The mop was even floating and did not sink, as you can see. This happened for a couple of minutes. Too bad I have not found a suitable broom. I'm on the lookout. Laundry. Golden Judge also uses commercial laundry baskets. These are easy to push. They hold a lot, so that may be an issue if the laundry is located on a different level than the washing machines. Lifting the basket filled with clothes is fine for me. The problem with the baskets is that the wheels tend to come off, and using thread locker, we are golden. A tool that can be maintained is more satisfying to own. These baskets are easy to move around, and especially important since the bedrooms and the laundry are at opposite corners of the home. Previous laundry baskets went the way of the garbage within a few years, and damage occurred within the first 3 months. Next is a 30-gallon Caddy. This tool is tucked away, a specialized storage box for gasoline. The gasoline is for use in the generator. There has not been an outage so far. Gasoline spoils, so the gas is used in my vehicles and then replenished when the prices are lower. Of course, this is done when there is no adverse weather in the forecast or some conflict that will cause a gasoline shortage. The timing is towards the fall when gas prices begin to drop. I tend to get the best price then. Garbage cans. What garbage can come with a 10-year guarantee? I had to order the recycle garbage can online. I have an occasional problem with raccoons. These nocturnal creatures know that they can topple the garbage bin and have a buffet spread. The thing with the buffet is the guests leave no tips to the cleanup staff. Well, turns out these garbage cans do not need a lock. A ratcheting strap is enough. These were in service for years and are now retired and have a new purpose. The scratches on the garbage can are that of the raccoon trying to get in. He failed. Could be a she. She failed. They have since stopped, and hopefully they learned it's a waste of time to buffet at the 18th. Chemicals. These are tools of a different sort. I use chemicals to clean mostly. These include evaporator coil cleaners, enzyme cleaner, sanitizer, disinfectant, rust removal, house wash, disinfectants for the floors and other surfaces, gun parts cleaner. I purchased concentrated versions and mix them as needed. The only chemical I do not mix is Lysol for the toilet bowl. Speaking of chemicals and Lysol, the next tool is the toilet brush. Its purpose is to spread harsh chemicals which clean the toilet bowl. This one is better than the rest. It solves some quirky problems I have with the toilet brushes of the past. Removing and replacing the brush is super easy, and it has a reservoir for the water left on the brush to drain and evaporate. I think they all do this. This particular offering came with an extra brush, which I love. By golden decree, one for every bathroom, and may your bowl be gloss clean and the job seem easier because. The next tool, hooks. It does not hurt if these look decorative. These should be carefully thought out in terms of location. Not having hooks on the bathroom door turns the doorknob into a hook. If I were the doorknob, I'd be pissed. That leads the problems of doors closing. It's just madness. Most hooks are in the bathroom. The kitchen should not be neglected, and hooks for brooms and kitchen towels make for an organized, simpler, and easier to maintain home. Besides, who don't appreciate a hookup? This tool helps with a major problem. It was acquired by chance. It clips the legs from the toothpaste and reduced wasted toothpaste to a predictable amount. It was not uncommon to go through a 5-pack of toothpaste in 5 weeks. Most of it down the drain, or the toothpaste would be moved and end up in the trash. Children take some time to learn about it, but until they do, they make a mess with toothpaste. From time to time, the dispenser needs some maintenance, and this build-up is due to 3 weeks of neglect. The things I do for YouTube. Hot water as a cleaning tool makes easy work. Now, a toothpaste tube will last about a month, and the cap is recycled versus lost. That is it for today. These tools are not your typical star tools. That is, tools for construction. I would not be so eager to mop if I had to get my hands wet or have to use watertight gloves. Most of these tools are also durable and among the best in their class. It is not cool to have the mop break during mopping. Cleaning is a big part of maintenance, and today these tools have had their day. They make a big difference in maintenance at the 18th. I would encourage maintainers who experience unreliable mops and buckets to move towards a commercial version. In general, a high-end tool allows for easy operation, like the toilet brush, which is easy to take out and replace in its base. Keep maintaining and keep blight away. The day is won.